Now we're going to make the DIY fan. First, display all this item here. Right. Secondly, let's take out this, and this. Once we've gotten these 4 pieces out with this rectangular protruding stuff facing up here, fix them together into a square, which looks like this. Next, we remove this and place it on top. Right, this is step 3. To insert all this protruding stuff into this hole, you may make sure that they are closely pushed together, then it can fit in nicely. So this is step 3. Next, step 4, you need this to remove this too. Once you have removed this, you see these 2 slots, this one and this one, interlock them. Right, then you have to put this part. Here's a smaller part, here's the bigger part. Right, the bigger part has to go into here. Okay, so this is what we want to achieve. Can you see this one with a cross? Right, remove this. So this one goes into here, and that will be our step 5. This is step 5. Then we go to step 6. We look for the switch. Right, what we need to do is insert the switch inside this hole here. Right, here there's a 0, there's a 1. Do you switch off, switch on? Just insert in it. Right, that's your step 6. Push it in tight. Right, will look like that, flush with the wood. Then now we need to get this one, 1 piece, 2 piece, and 3 pieces here. Remove them. Right, these 3 pieces, stack them together and insert here. Okay, here you go, all the 3 pieces here. Next, we look for a cross, this one, right, to put right here. Right, and then can you see the cross? Just fit nicely into the cross. You may need some patience to make it go into it exactly. Okay, here you go. Next, we have to remove this, 2 pieces of this, one here and the other one is here. Right, connect these 2 pieces together by placing this and this into the hole here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right, this is how it looks like. Then can you see these 2 slots? Place this 2 protruding piece into the slot. Here you go. So this thing goes through all 3 of them. Then after that you can rotate here. Next, we are working on the motor. This one, can you see the 2 holes here? And then there are 2 connectors here. Take out the wire, remove the ends, push through these 2 holes and then connect at this terminal. You can do it by pushing it through, then after that turn over and twist. Let me show you. Right, I've pushed through the 2 wires through the hole here. Then after that I think it will be easier if you twist the wire so that it's easier to pass through the small hole at the terminal. Right. What you need to do now is push it through here. Right, push it through, then after that we twist. Can you see? Push through it. You actually can bend this metal connector up a little bit so that there are more rooms for the wire to go through. Once it goes through, you can bend and then twist. Ensure that the wire doesn't come out anymore. Right, it looks like that. Next, remove this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the L-shaped one. Then we are going to slot it inside the hole here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we have 4 of these. We are going to insert it here. Insert it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, it should look like that. Alright, next take out 2 of this, 1 of this, and 1 of this. Okay, we shall take 2 of this, slot inside here. One, 2. Okay. Then after that, take this with a hole, get the screw with the help of screwdriver, put this in here. Okay, done. Then we take this orange ring, right, and we need to secure this on here. First, push this through this pin, push through, then the orange ring, right, you need to push it all the way in this way. Then get this, go through the hole, then get another orange string, press it on top this way. Okay, now next, insert it this way into here. This way. Okay, next, can you see this one with a smaller hole compared to the other one? Right, this one, remove. Okay, now can you remember, can you see these 2 holes now? Right, put this pin through this hole, then after that go through this round wood with a smaller hole, push through, then after that goes through, oh, cannot see, okay, goes through this hole. So 1, okay, let me take out first, 1, 2, 3, and let the pin go through. Okay, so that's what happened here, right? Then use this ring to secure them. And then we secure all these 3 pieces together with the pin. You are provided with a propeller with this hole here, right? Secure it on this pin, right? This way. Next, from this plate you have 6 of this arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this plate here, remove them. So with this, you slot it in, all the 6. Yep, here you go. And according to the instruction, this is step 15. Then now we need to get one of this out. Okay, now, so there are 4 holes here, and then there are 6 holes here. So make sure they coincide and lock them together. Yeah, I finished this 6, left with 4 holes. These 4 holes is for these 4 protruding parts. Okay, this is what you should get. Next, the electrical wiring. We have 2 wires here. Can you see there's a hole here? Push it through. Okay. Right, these 2 will go through the hole. Then you have a red and black. So let's settle the red first. The red will go to this terminal here. This is the under end of the switch. Go to the one on the right. That's according to the instruction. This one goes to the right. Then after that, take out this one. This is given to you a battery case for AA battery, 2 of them. This red one will go to the left. Okay, goes like that. Then after that, this black and black connect together. You can just put them together and twist. Okay, so make sure this is at the switch is at the off position. Then what you can do now is add the battery. Prepare 2 battery, AA size. Negative will go to the spring. This negative go to the spring. Okay, turn it over. Then turn on. Right, this is your oscillating fan.